Uh-oh. There we go.
And those lab bars are now locked.
Enjoy the ride. Thank you. Thanks.
All clear.
Alrighty guys, so we're back. This time we're riding Thunder Run. Now this is actually a mirror image of Hurler at Carowinds. And I'm actually a very big fan of that ride, so I'm really excited to be able to ride kind of like a mirror image of it. Especially because I just rode Hurler this year. Okay. So they put the trim in a different location. Still, it's, I mean, you can see a little difference between this and Hurler, but yeah, still, I think it's all right. Not bad for a wood coaster.
Welcome back, brothers. How was that ride?
Woo!
Awesome. Those lap bars are now unlocking. Push down, pull them up.